This is November 2023 edexil paper. It's calculate aloud. Let's do it together. The first question is 2 marks and the question says expand and simplify. Always you can pause and try the question yourself first. So to expand, I'll first multiply here. So 3 times 2y is 6y, and then 3 times 5 is 15, and there is a minus sign in the middle. The first part is done. Now let's do the second part. Plus 7 times y is 7y. 7 times 2 is 14. That's very good. Now let's combine like terms. This has a y in it and this has a y in it, so they look alike. So let's add them. 6y plus 7y is 13y, and then minus 15 plus 14 is minus 1. Many students don't know how to do the negative numbers. How is it minus 1? Just think of it like a debt. You have a debt of 15 because it's minus, so it's a debt, and you really have 14 dirhams or dollars in your hand. So what you will do is you will pay the 14 here and you will still be in debt of 1. Since it's debt, so it's negative 1. That's how I think of it. You can also think of the number line. Now question 1b, it's also 2 marks. So the question says factorize fully. When the question says factorize, it means what's in the first part and also in the second part at the same time. What's in here and there at the same time. So let's think of this question. First, I can tell there is x here and there is x there. So there is one x which I'll take out. And then if we look at the numbers, 6 is 3 times 2 and 15 is 3 times 5. So there is a 3 also here and there. So what's in common is 3 and x. So I'll take that out. 3x outside. Oh gosh. Alright. So what's left here is 2 and then 1x plus. If I take the 3 and I take the x out, I will be left with only the 5 plus 5. And we finished. That's your 2 marks. Now let's look at the next question. The next question says make G the subject of this formula. To make G the subject, it means we need G in one side and everything else on the other side. So I'll get rid of this 11 by doing minus 11 on both sides. This will cancel. So on the left side, I'll have 5 minus 11 equal 3g. We don't want to see this 3 here. So let's get rid of it by dividing by 3 here and dividing all that by 3. This will cancel. So you will end up by having g equals 5 minus 11 divided by 3. And that's your full mark. Don't try to do anything else. You have g on one side? Yes, I do. Just leave this side. That's your final answer. That's very good. I think we got 6 marks already. So let's look at, yeah, it's 6 marks. That's very good. Now let's look at the next question. The next question says